It was a dark and spooky night. The moon was full but not so bright. The friends all shouted, "We're thieves, hooray!" They honked the horn and sped away to Rust City. They drove with glee, with plans to dig up treasure free. The graveyard was quiet, no one in sight. They grabbed their tools ready for the night. They dug the ground with shovels and picks. The coffin was heavy and full of bricks. "This is the king's," one shouted loud. They pulled it up feeling proud. They opened the lid, their eyes grew wide. Jewels and treasures glittered inside. King Louis' sword shining so bright. They laughed and cheered at the sparkling sight. But the king's hand started to move. The thieves all froze, afraid to groove. A cold, bony hand grabbed one thief tight. He screamed, "It's the king in fight!
Please help!"
They tried to run, but couldn't go. The skeleton king started to show. Then suddenly, loud in the air, an alarm went off, a Halloween scare. The watch on her wrist began to ring, a spooky tune like a ghostly thing. The ghosts all woke up, floating high, as shadows danced across the sky. A skeleton train came down the track, with rattling bones and a clickety-clack. It zoomed so fast, it tossed up stones. It chased the thieves with its clattering tones. One thief got grabbed by the skeleton train. It threw him down again and again. He tumbled and cried, "Let me go!" But the train didn't stop moving to and fro.
Please help!
Another ran fast with fear in his eyes. He reached the station under dark skies. But the skeleton's head, glowing so bright, scared him away deep into the night. Ghosts in silly hats floating tall caught every thief, one and all. They laughed and cheered, "Let's take them away, to teach them a lesson before the day." They flew to the airport high in the air. The thieves all shook, full of despair. "Stealing is bad," the ghosts did shout. "There's no escape, no way out." They were put on a plane, ghosts by their side, flying through clouds on a spooky ride. To jail they went for one whole year. They cried and whined, "We can't stay here." But stealing's wrong, they learned that night. The ghosts had taught them to do what's right. Now no more tricks, no more bad plans. They'll stay far away from spooky lands.
The school bell rang, ding dong, ding ding.
Huh?
Children ran out, hear them sing. Buses lined up big and bright. But Adam walked home, feeling just right. The sun was setting, sky so wide. Adam walked by the railway side. But what did he see? Down by the track, a man in black, sneaky at the back. He twisted bolts and filled with care. Adam watched, feeling a scare. Something's wrong, this isn't good. That man's up to no good in the neighborhood. He dashed away so quick, so fast, to the station, his heart beating so fast. The choo-choo train was rolling near. Adam thought, "I must make them hear, hear." He waved his arms, he jumped so high. But the train rolled on, zooming by. What could he do? He had to think. Then he saw his handkerchief red like ink, ink. He waved it big like a bright red kite. The driver saw it, eyes open wide. The brakes went on, the train did stop. Adam ran over with a skip and a hop. "Something's wrong," he shouted loud. The driver called help, drew a crowd. The police came fast with lights so blue. The bad man knew, away he flew. But the police chased him with a zoom and a zap. around the town through every gap. They caught him quick, you're coming with me, and Adam smiled with such glee. The tracks were fixed, safe and sound. The children cheered and danced around. The driver thanked him with a happy face. You saved us all, you won the race. But the police came close with a shiny badge. They gave Adam a big happy nod. You're a hero, brave and true. Look at all the good you do. They gave him a ride home so neat. Adam sat in the big comfy seat. He waved goodbye, what a day. Saving lives the Adam way.
Bye-bye!
With Mama to walk down the road. The sky so blue, they reached a lake so big and clear. They splashed around, full of cheer. But one small duck, curious and bright, saw a train with colors so light. She ran so fast with a little hop into the train. She didn't stop. The train went jogging, rolled away. Mama duck called, "Where's my duck today?" The little duck inside did shout, "Quack, quack, quack, let me out." Train heard the sound, he looked around and quickly found the duck inside, her eyes so wide. He pulled the chain to stop the train. The train did stop, the duck jumped out. She wagged her tail and ran about. The driver called the police in blue. They came to help as good cops do. The police officer gave a smile, "Let's take you home. It's just a mile back to the lake, safe and sound." Mama and duck were finally found. Mama duck hugged her little one tight. The other ducks quacked with delight. They thanked the officer, waved goodbye, then walked back home under the sky. Choo, choo, train on the go! The train goes fast, riding through the city, it's a blast. In and out, around the bend, the choo-choo train's your best friend. Choo-choo-choo, hear the sound, choo-choo train's the best in town. Stops at stations 1 and 2, choo-choo train is here for you. It rolls along with a happy cheer, bringing smiles to everyone near. Through the city, night and day, choo-choo train leads the way. Choo-choo-choo, hear the sound, choo-choo train's the best in town. Stops at stations 1 and 2, choo-choo train is here for you. Stop, rain or shine, choo-choo train is right on time. Life is easy thanks to you, choo-choo train, we all love you. Choo-choo-choo, hear the sound, choo-choo train's the best in town. Stops at stations 1 and 2, choo-choo train is here for you. Choo-choo-choo, on the go, choo-choo train, we love you so. Making life happy every day, choo-choo train.